Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone so tethering works without surprises. First, make sure your mobile data plan permits hotspot use and you understand any caps or extra fees. Once done, enable cellular data, then open settings and go to personal hotspot or hotspot and tethering to turn it on. Make a clear SSID name and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. This prevents freeloaders. Also pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds, depending on your needs. Now you connect devices and tighten control so performance stays good. On each laptop or tablet, select your SSID and type the password exactly. Copy-paste if possible to avoid mistakes. Then, in hotspot settings, limit the number of allowed connections and enable an auto-off timer so it stops when idle. You can also use MAC filtering for extra control. Make sure to watch data usage in settings and restrict background sync or large app updates, because those consume data and slow other clients. Finish by verifying the connection and preparing for problems. Test browsing and run a speed test so you know if performance meets expectations. Move the phone to higher ground for better signal if needed. If a device won't connect, restart the hotspot, toggle airplane mode briefly, or have the client forget and re-add the SSID. That clears authentication glitches. Finally, manage battery by plugging your phone in, using low power settings, and lowering screen brightness. These steps keep the hotspot running longer when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.